Alright guys, as you can see, we got a little something in the mail today. The only thing I opened so far was this, because I didn't want you to see me ripping this and trying to get this open, so I did open this. I didn't open anything else yet. So I don't know what's in here. But in the mail says about 45 pounds. Very excited to get this. A very, very good opportunity came for me to get this fast, and this, basically, yeah, I got a great opportunity to get it this fast. So we're going to open it up, see what's in it. That's nice. Nice little koozie. Triple D. Nice little pen. That's real nice. Okay, I'll take that. A nice little envelope. Installation instructions. That's it. Alright, that'll go to my man who installs it. And a couple stickers. Alright, very nice. This is a nice little envelope they give you too. It's nice. So far, I just opened the top, so I'm not sure. Wow, that's real nice. Alright guys, I might have to put a hand down while I pick this up because it's got a little weight to it. So give me a second. Yeah, got a little weight to it. Alright. I don't even know if you guys saw any of that, but there it is. Alright. This is great quality craftsmanship. Now, this unit is obviously by Circle D. My name. And from my knowledge, it is a 3000 torque converter, obviously for the 8 speeds. Not many out, because also I will be actually beta testing this. My tuner Jay contacted me and asked me if I wanted a torque converter for beta testing. Of course I said yes, because I go to the track a lot, and I can get better. I don't know about better results. I'll say I can get faster results than a lot of the other guys, because a lot of the guys don't really go to the track as much as I do. So I get a before and after exactly what's going on. And yeah, I'm really hoping, like I said, my best 60 foot is a 185, and I'm really hoping this can get me maybe low 1.7s. I don't know, because it's beta tested. No one's tested this exact unit yet, I don't think. I'm not 100% sure, so all I know is I got a great opportunity to get this. It's great craftsmanship. I didn't know they were this heavy. Obviously, I don't know. I never had a torque converter, especially for an 8-speed. But it's very, very nice. Actually sent it in a real nice box too. They made you sign for it. I had to wait and sit here and wait for the guy to come in and sign it, because obviously they're not going to leave it on the front porch. But yeah, got a bunch of little nice stuff with it, instructions, and yeah, I'll be hitting the track this Tuesday. I'll get you a video of that. That will probably be my before for Jay for the tuner. And once I get it installed, I will get an after for him. I got to talk to my mechanic, so we got to try and get this done. Obviously, he's going to do it on a one-day job with him again. And yeah, so there it is. There's the new mod for the Ram. I don't know what to expect, but I'm expecting something good. All right, guys, have a good one.